Hi and welcome to another Shogun user video. My name is Katie and in this video I'll be demonstrating our new features for camera healing and system health. Okay, let's get to it. So here we can see our system and our list of cameras. We can also see a warning by camera 20, so I'm going to go to camera 20's view. We can see in the perspective view the markers in camera 20 are red, which means it's not contributing towards the rest of the reconstructions within the system. If we hover over the warnings in the camera 20 view, we can see that there's a centroid connection score of 0%. Centroid connection score gives a representation of the accuracy of the centroids being shipped when the data is being seen. So if our centroid connection score is low, when you have someone in your volume, we know that the camera might be having issues. We can also see there's a temperature warning. So when we calibrated our system, this camera is on 33 degrees, but now it's risen to 42. This is because we added this camera later into our calibration. You'll generally find this when you first turn on the system, as the cameras will be cold for the first hour to an hour and a half before. It's important to let the cameras warm up and the temperature change to stabilize before doing a calibration. Now we're going to demonstrate camera healing. We're going to ask our actor to leave the volume, as our cameras will automatically fix themselves if he's there. So, to demonstrate automatic camera healing, Sam in our volume is going to knock our rig, which isn't the most stable of rigs. As soon as he knocks it, we see in our system tab all the cameras that have been affected have a warning appear by them. This is to tell us that the cameras have been bumped and may need recalibrating, depending if they've returned to their original position. It's good to note this only works for our Vantage, Vero and View cameras, as they have built-in accelerometers in them. When our actor re-enters the volume, our cameras automatically detect if they have moved drastically, and if they haven't, they will no longer show a warning and won't need recalibrating. We are still getting reported errors on two cameras, a Vantage and a View camera. This means they were knocked out quite drastically. If we zoom in on the Vantage camera's view, we can see the distance between where the system expects the marker and when the marker actually is. If we select the camera we need recalibrating, and then in the camera calibration tab we press recover camera position, when our actor moves around the volume, these camera rays are drawn as the system works out the offset between the cameras and the rest of the calibration so it can correct its position. We've got some frames over the camera, so if we hit recover camera position again, our camera will correct itself. We can see this as the markers in our camera view are green, as they are now contributing. The markers match, and we've lost the warnings in our system tab. To fix a view camera, we have to use active markers, so an active one is a good recalibration tool here. In our camera calibration tab, we go to Advanced Settings and put our view into video calibration mode. Now if we zoom in, we can see how off our markers are and that this camera definitely needs recovering. We'll hit recover camera position again, and the same way as last time, we'll move our wand in front of the camera till the view is nicely covered. Once we've accepted that, we can now see that the markers line up nicely. And that's how to recover cameras in your system. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos.